Good day everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre this Tuesday. The morning starts off cloudy over the eastern parts of South Africa, together with a bit of drizzle against the escarpment areas, but otherwise it's clear and warm in the west already, except for the western coastal areas where fog has moved in overnight. The fog moved in behind the passage of a coastal low pressure system. Behind the low we're expecting cooler breezy weather this afternoon, but ahead of it will be dry, hot and windy with high temperatures likely along the southeast coast as well. Isolated thunderstorms are expected over the eastern interior throughout this afternoon, but we're expecting low rainfall amounts. Here's our rain forecast for the rest of today, with a 40% chance of thunderstorms in the east, no rain along the east coast this afternoon, and a bit of drizzle is likely initially against the escarpment areas in the east. The South African Weather Service warns against a high fire danger over the western parts of South Africa. That's due to hot, dry and windy conditions that will also include the interior of the Western and Eastern Cape. Now let's take a closer look at the daytime temperatures. After a cloudy start, temperatures recover quickly and we're expecting maximums up to 33 degrees in Phalaborwa and Tabazimbi, Pretoria with a high of 30, and isolated thunderstorms could develop later on. Isolated storms in the Free State as well, with a high of 27 in Bethlehem. Much warmer further south over the interior of the Eastern Cape, a maximum of 36 likely in Grahamstown. There's a southwesterly open ocean swell along the east coast up to 2 meters. We're expecting a warm afternoon, but it will be breezy along the Wild Coast with wind speeds between 30 and 40 kilometers per hour. Port Elizabeth with a moderate easterly wind and speeds up to 20 kilometers per hour. Very hot over the southern parts today, 39 degrees in the Little Karoo for Oudtshoorn, 38 in Somerset East, and high temperatures likely ahead of the coastal low, Plettenberg Bay with a maximum of 30 degrees. Fresh to strong southwesterly winds following the passage of the low, wind speeds almost touching the 40 km per hour mark in Cape Agulhas. The western parts experiencing a sunny, hot and windy afternoon, a high of 37 likely in Prieska, Springbok with a maximum of 30 degrees, and fog initially along the west coast of South Africa, a high of 23 in Alexander Bay, Cape Town up to 27, and there's an open ocean swell of 2 meters from the southwest. By Wednesday we're expecting thunderstorms slightly further west than today, and there's also a weak front arriving in Cape Town, temperatures reaching a high of 24. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy your day.